Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Trust me brother, mosquito them a kill me. Place cut, pan them clean, but the mosquito them still a kill me. Right? So it's good to see that the mosquitoes are living in the trees. Trust me. Alright, so today's video is never feed your fish right after cleaning. Now this is just proof. I did this just to prove. Usually when I throw the feed into the convict cichlid pond, um, usually when I throw the feed in the Jack Dempsey pond, they would have actually consumed it already. Right? They would be splashing it all over the place. Some would be on the side of the pond. Oh, mosquito gonna bite me, God, that. Alright, so because they have gone through so much stress, being taken out of the pond, being the pond being washed, different type of water being placed in it, meaning that the water pH is different. They are adjusting themselves. The temperature has changed. I rearrange the decoration, so all that. So therefore, they are a little bit stressed there. So unlike, let's say, my goldfish and my cars in which I've just fed, and I just placed the feed in it, and the feed have actually disappeared. The Jack Dempsey, the total number probably about 26 in here, and over in the other pond with the smaller ones is probably about roughly about 36 or 37, right? Yeah, and I got some plants from the river, right? You probably in the previous video you're seeing where I've actually uh, cleaned the pond, and this is where I have actually uh, put back everything together, and pond is looking really nice. Hopefully next video you will see inside the pond. I can't do it now because it's late in the evening, mosquitoes are down, and I have a lot of video to edit, right? The inside of the filtration system have been clean, right? The pump is working okay, and fish should do very well, right? I have now one, two, three pump working. Just install a convict cichlid. Mosquitoes them so bad, brother. I couldn't actually do it and actually show you because I was like doing it in haste, right? But it's the same setup as the ones before, where the pump is there and the pump is there and the water. These are convict cichlids. I'm gonna have to take out the feed if they don't consume it to the next about 5 minutes, right? So now they have their own filtration system, right? Where its water comes up using a pump, right? I call it now submersible pump. It carries the water through the hose there, right? And it goes up at the side, comes over into the bucket, and it goes down and it comes out at the base of the bucket, right? So that works for me. Now this never have any, this pond never have, wow, the mosquito never bite me, God. This never have any filtration system, so the fish was like laggy and the water started to smell stink. As soon as I placed the pump in it and I changed the water and all that, I realized a difference in the atmosphere within the pond. It started to get really active. These are my small, how should I say, yeah, my baby Jack Dempsey's. They are in this. I'll be putting a pump in this next couple of days. Alright, probably I can show you all of that. Right, but for now it is like this. Right, you have two different type of water lilies. You have this one and you have this one. This is the hyacinth. I'm not sure about what this one is called, right? And as I did in a video before where I show you both and I show you advantage of both, right? So this is it for Fish Keeping Jamaica today. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for stopping by. I just realized that my chromite fish have actually spawned in this. I cannot attend to that today, but I should actually take out the parent and put them in another pond, because I changed I took out the Oscar out of this and I placed it in the pond with the large Oscar. I've been working very fast these days, guys, because mosquito, I am unable to actually do the taping meanwhile, right? Usually to do the taping and the movement, that would take me a good amount of time, but because of the mosquitoes are bad, man. right? I just actually just move and then I just talk about it, right? I know for some persons that you are disappointed, but right now that's so it's said. Right? So I put some river fish in this to go and keep a little bit before I actually put the fish in which I want to be in it because the mosquitoes, I don't want them breeding it, right? So I show you all of that in due time. I have to be controlling mosquitoes in my system by actually placing at least fish in every single one. None can be left bare by itself, right? Thank you very much for tuning in. Have an awesome day. Bye bye, guys. See you